In exercise 813, we're asked to use three different inventory methods: first in, first out, FIFO; last in, first out, LIFO; and three, the average cost method, to come up with the cost of goods sold and the ending inventory under a periodic method. And so the first thing you have to do for any of these is you have to come up with the goods available for sale. So we find out here that on August 1st, we have inventory on hand. So we've got beginning inventory. And that's 2,000 units. And the cost each is $5.30. And so that comes out to a total of 10,600. Okay, then we purchase 800 units at $5.50 each, and that comes out to 44. I'm sorry, that was 8,000 units, not 800. $44,000. And then on the 14th, we sold 6,000 units for $12 each. In a periodic system, it doesn't matter that we sold. Now, we're going to do exercise 814 in just a minute. And in that case, it will matter that we do that, but we only look at the purchases at this point. On the 18th, we purchased 6,000 units for $5.60 each. And that comes out to a total of 33,600. Again, we sold 7,000 units in a periodic system. That does not matter. On the 28th, we purchased 4,000 units. And that's $5.80 each. That's 23,200. So we add that all up, and our total goods available for sale is going to be $111,400. Now we will use that goods available for sale in each of our inventory systems. So the way we do on a periodic system, each of these, so we've got three to do: last in, first out. So what we do is we figure out the total number of goods that we have on hand. And so 2,000, 8,000 is 10, 10. So we have a total of 20,000 total units. Okay, so on the first in, first out, that means the inventory that will be remaining is the last ones we purchased. Now, at this point, we do need to figure out how much we sold. And on the 14th, we sold 6,000 units. And on the 25th, we sold 7,000 units. And so that's a total of 13,000. It says inventory on hand of 7,000 units. So now we need to back into the amount. So we need 7,000 units, and we're going first in, first out. So a couple of different ways you can do this. I use the ending inventory. So 7,000 units, we're going to have all of the 4,000. So 4,000 times $5.80 is 23,200. And then to get 7,000, I'm going to have 3,000 of the 6,000. So that's 3,000 times $5.60. And so that will be 16,800. Add those total up. That will be $40,000. And so we take the goods available for sale, 111,400, less the ending inventory of 40,000. That leaves us cost of goods sold of 71,400. So that takes care of FIFO. Then on LIFO, we go the opposite way. The last in are the first ones out. So we're going to have the oldest units still in ending inventory. Remember, this is just an accounting convention. This is not what really happens on the show. This is just an accounting convention. So we're going to have the full 2,000 times $5.30, and that's 10,600. And then we're going to have 5,000 of the 8,000 purchase. So 5,000 times $5.50, and that's going to be 27,500 on that. That will add up to our 7,000 remaining. Add those together, and that will be 38,100. So then we take our goods available for sale, the same 11,400, subtract off our ending inventory, 38,100. That will give us cost of goods sold of 73,300. And if you'll notice, this is a normal occurrence if prices are rising. Under FIFO, our cost of goods sold will be less, so our income will be greater. Under LIFO, our cost of goods sold will be greater, so our income will be less. And then under the weighted average, we take the 111,400, we divide that by 20,000. And when we do that, we get $5.57 each. Take the 7,000 in ending inventory times $5.57, and that's 38,990. So it's the same formula. Goods available for sale, 111,400 less the ending inventory of 38,990, and that will give us a cost of goods sold of 72,410. All right, so that's exercise 8-13.